Welcome. Today we will glance at some of the most popular street foods in Turkey. Stay with us till the end, as we will also show how easily can you prepare Turkish dürüm at home. Let's start. Whatever you are seeing, if you are not aware of this dish, you are probably not aware of Turkish cuisine at all. This is kanafe. This dessert, which has an Arabic touch to it, is very popular in Turkey. You can use different types of cheese for cooking of this dessert. In every case the dessert will have a different taste. Here our street vendor is using unripened cheese and of course, vermicelli like shredded phyllo dough, which is its main ingredient. In some cases kunefe is served with ice cream, but it's just tribute to fashion. But here, our vendor will top it with most popular sugar syrup and then top it with fried nuts such as hazelnuts, pistachios. Some people also use 2 layers and use cream as toppings. Whatever way you like it, you must try this irresistible dish. Don't forget to like and share, if you like this video. Next up, we headed to another street food vendor, where we will have this awesome dürüm for our lunch. Dürüm is one of the most democratic Turkish culinary inventions. You're just as likely to encounter it on a street corner, as you are at the fanciest of restaurants. Whether it's the chicken, beef, cheese or veggie variety you prefer, this meal in wrap form is sure to set you free from your hunger pangs. For crowd-pleasing dürüm, stop by Bambi or Kazikayalar in Taksim Square at any hour of the day. Here we can also see, they are also selling ekmek, similar to sandwich. You can have chicken or beef ekmek, but the most famous one is Balik Ekmek, fish sandwich. The number 2 most popular street food in Turkey. Finally, to end our Turkish street food tour, we decided to have some baklava and other Turkish delicacy. How can we be in Turkey and not have some Turkish sweets after a meal? Tulumba is a deep-fried dessert. It is a fried batter soaked in syrup, similar to jalebis and churros. And of course this is baklava, for which we came here. As you can see, this serving tray is almost over. Plenty of delicious Turkish sweets here. We will try at least 2 to 3 varieties. We will end our journey here today. Thanks you so much for staying with us. See you again with another street food tour. Bye.